Good morning friends. Top 5 signs and symptoms of gynecomastia. How to identify gynecomastia in 5 ways. So my name is Dr. Shah. I am MCH Plastic and Cosmetic Surgeon Director of Rijuva Aesthetica Cosmetic Clinic in Ahmedabad. Friends, first sign of gynecomastia is it decreases during morning time or in a cold weather or during taking a shower. So it decreases. So it's a breast gland, so it will going to be reduced in the morning time. When day goes during daytime, it will going to increase. So when the temperature increases, it will going to increase. So that is a characteristic of a gynecomastia. That's the second sign. Third sign is the pinch test. When you do the pinch here, so it's a soft in consistency, it's a fat in content, and when you do pinch here with your two finger and a thumb, so it will going to be a firm in consistency. So that is a characteristic of a gland with a fat. Fourth sign is when you do exercise or you go for a gymming, it will not going to be reduced because it's a breast gland. So fat content will be going to reduce, but this content will not going to reduce. So this is a fourth sign. And the fifth sign is if you take any kind of medicines, whether it's homeopathy, Ayurvedic, or our own allopathy medicines of a hormonal medicine, or you go for dieting, it will not going to be reduced. So these are the top 5 signs to be identified with the gynecomastia. If you have any confusion regarding a gynecomastia, if you have any doubt regarding gynecomastia, you can contact our team. We do just 60 minutes procedure for a single scarless, keyhole, bloodless, painless gynecomastia surgery, and you can go back to home in 4 hours. Thank you so much, friends.